I have been summoned.
I apologize for nothing.
What? Oh, Croc-Mo.
Welcome to Sesame Street Canal. Come on in, the water's fine. Tickle me, Croc-Mo. Dangers include losing an arm.
Ambush predator, that's a big word for Elmo.
Oh god, I went all red.
Here, Rocco, 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 I just want to play.
Oh my god, it's getting really demented. I was gonna put eye highlights, but something about the vacant stare is just doing it for me. Croc-Mo.